So in this problem, we're going to try to set up some kind of linear equation based on a word problem. And as in most of these cases, just setting up the equation is the hardest part. Solving it is pretty easy. So we're told that 160 female bats have been tagged already, and if 100 more are tagged, so 260 total female bats, how many more male bats must be tagged so that 3/5 of the total number are male? So here's how you want to set this up. So you want 3/5 to be male, right? So you want your number of males over your number of males plus females, right? So your number of males over your total to be equal to 3/5, right? So given this, why don't you just plug in what you know and solve for what you don't? So we know that we're going to have 260 female bats. We can plug that in for F and then solve for M. So M over M plus 260 is equal to 3/5. We have fractions on both sides. That's pretty inconvenient. Let's get rid of them. So let's just start by getting rid of this one. So times 5 on both sides to get that out of the way. So now we have 5 times this, which is the same as 5m over m plus 260 is equal to 3, right? And from here, again, we still have one more fraction. How do we get rid of it? Multiply by whatever's on the bottom. So get it all in one line. So m plus 260, okay, on both sides, m plus 260. So this goes away, or is canceled out. So let's move over here. You have now 5m is equal to 3 times m plus 260. So from here, let's go ahead and distribute this 3 just so we can kind of start moving stuff around. So 5m is equal to 3m plus, what is that, 780. And from here, we want to get m on one side, right? So minus 3m minus 3m. So we have 2m is equal to 780. And finally, to solve for m, divide by 2 on both sides. So m is equal to 390. Now, hold on. This is not your answer, right? We don't want to know how many males there have to be. The question is asking how many more male bats must be tagged. So we want to do how many we have now, or need to have, minus how many we had originally, which is 240. So that's 150. So 150 more male bats need to be tagged. So be careful with that wording there.